Hi everyone, my name is Iri, I'm a developer, and today I want to show you my favorite online courses and platforms you can use to learn coding. And if you just started to learn, or maybe you started to vibe code and you want to learn fundamentals, these courses really get you like deep into coding stuff. And first one is my favorite one. I think without this course, I would never become a developer. Like I would never finish any other course because I didn't have any experience. I didn't have anyone around me who was like familiar with tech or coding. And I had no one to ask an advice from. So it was a really hard path. And I didn't have AI, so it didn't help me also. And this course made me fall in love with coding. I don't think I will be where I am now without this one. And this is a Harvard CS50 course. It's pretty popular between developers. And I think everyone who started to learn how to code know this course, but this is really what you need if you just started. And my high recommendation is to do all the homework by yourself, because this course not just teach you fundamentals, it teach you how to think as a developer, how to find information, how to use documentation, how to be like how to change your mind, like the way of thinking. So I really highly recommend to do all your homework by yourself, because when I started I didn't have AI. Of course now these tasks are super easy and you can do it in seconds with AI, but please try to do this yourself. I think this course is pretty cool because what you study on the lectures, on online lectures, it's just one, like maybe, I don't know, a 50%. It's just 50% of what you're gonna do in your homework. So it's pretty hard for the beginners, but it's beginner friendly, but it's hard. But it really changes the way you think. And I think you will fall in love. Like these two courses, they are for 6 months of learning, I think, but I finished them in 4 months, and it was pretty intense, but I'm sure if you want to try, you should start with this course. If you want to fall in love with coding with this course, maybe it's not for you. Just try to choose something else, because this one is the best. Another thing is I really love is LeetCode. It's a platform where you can practice coding, when you can just do some tasks in practice, and they also have some like paths if you want to work in Microsoft or Google or in, like anywhere. So you can choose your path and you can solve the problems and solve the tasks that you will be asked for on interviews. Another platform I really like is Codecademy. They have like really good courses, and their subscription is just like 20 euros in a month, and you will have access to a lot of courses, paths, professions, and so on. And it's really convenient because you also can run the code inside this platform. It's very cool. Another one is FreeCodeCamp. It's a free platform where you can also learn how to code. Another favorite resources I use is MIT, Stanford, and Harvard YouTube channels. Like they have a lot of lectures, a lot of programs there you can learn for free, and it's really good. One thing is it can be not really beginner friendly. For example, if you wasn't good in math at school or you forgot everything, maybe it's gonna be a bit hard for you. For example, if you want to learn machine learning, the best course for that is the Stanford course, but again, it's not beginner friendly. If you don't understand anything about machine learning, if you're not good in math, if you're not familiar with that, it's gonna be really hard for you. You just want to understand like 80% of this course. So you better start from something where you can understand the concept more and then go deeply into this course. And to understand the concept, I have my own platform, ML platform, where you can also learn in practice. You will have all visualization, you will have all theory, and you will have just projects that you're going to build. So you're going to build your own models. And also Codecademy have really good courses on this. Another thing is books, of course. I will leave it here. These all books you definitely have to read if you want to learn machine learning, and if you want to understand math. I think the best book is this one, and I think it also made really cool for those who is not familiar with math, because they give you exactly what you need for machine learning, and they give you it also by practicing. So yeah, these are my favorite resources to learn coding. If you have something else to add, please leave in the comments, and if you want more tech content, please subscribe to this channel.